You see that perfectly white gleaming smile on your screen, and suddenly the price of a real dental visit feels even more painful than a toothache. It is a classic trap. A company promises you a shortcut to a Hollywood look for the cost of a few pizzas. These home-molded kits are everywhere right now. They claim to offer a revolutionary way to fix your smile without ever sitting in a dentist's chair. The pitch is simple. They ship you a kit. You follow a few steps at home. Suddenly, you have a brand new set of teeth. But we need to talk about what actually happens when that package lands in your mailbox. The instructions tell you to drop the material into a mug of hot water. You watch it turn from a hard solid into a soft, squishy plastic. This is the moment of truth. You're supposed to press this hot material against your gums and bite down to create a custom mold. It sounds like a fun science project until you realize you are trying to reconstruct a vital part of your anatomy with zero professional guidance. Real dentures are crafted through a meticulous process of impressions and adjustments. They are balanced to ensure your jaw stays aligned. When you do it yourself, you are essentially guessing. You might end up with something that looks okay from a distance, but the feeling is often described as having a bulky mouthguard shoved into your face. People report that the plastic is often way too thick. It makes them lisp. It makes their lips bulge out in an unnatural way. And let us talk about the aesthetic. The ads show these beautiful translucent teeth that look just like the real thing. The reality is often a flat monochromatic white that looks more like a toy than a dental prosthetic. It is the ultimate bait and switch. Some users have opened their packages only to find a flimsy strip of plastic that does not even cover their whole mouth. Then there is the issue of eating. You cannot just bite into an apple with a piece of plastic you molded in your kitchen. These products lack the structural integrity to handle the pressure of chewing. They are glorified veneers for a quick photo, not a solution for daily life. When you add in the horror stories about customer service, the picture gets even darker. People are reporting that their orders take months to arrive. When the product is clearly not as described, getting a refund is like pulling teeth. You get stuck in a loop of automated emails and empty promises. It is a high-stakes gamble with your confidence and your cash. True dental health cannot be found in a one-size-fits-all kit from a random website. While the idea of a cheap fix is incredibly tempting, your mouth deserves better than a piece of melted plastic. Professional work costs more because it actually works. It is tailored to your unique anatomy. These vital products are often just a temporary mask. They hide the problem instead of solving it. Before you hit that buy button, think about the long game. Don't let a slick video ad distract you from the reality of what your dental health truly requires. Your jaw, your gums, and your self-esteem are worth more than a piece of melted plastic from a suspicious website. If it sounds too good to be true, it almost always is. Stay skeptical and protect your wallet.